Hey everybody, what is up? Shaun Hadsall here, stubborn fat expert and owner of Get Lean in 12. And inside today's video, I'm gonna talk about fat burning potato chips. That's right, you heard it right, fat burning potato chips. Now here's the cool part. This isn't a recipe, you don't have to fix these at home, you can buy them at the store because in today's day and age, a lot of these food companies are realizing how health conscious people are becoming. So I have two examples here for you on healthy potato chips. One is a tortilla chip and one is a potato chip. I do recommend that you consume these in moderation, and of course nothing replaces whole, healthy, unprocessed foods from nature that God created. But let's face reality, everybody loves their Lay's potato chip, everybody loves their tortilla chips. Let's find a way to make it healthy and taste delicious. The first one is this Boulder brand, and you can find these, I think my wife even finds these at Kroger now. And they're basically chips that are fried in avocado oil. And because avocado oil has a really high smoke point, it's not inflammatory like Lay's that are cooked in vegetable oil. So again, everything in moderation and nothing replaces real food. But if you're gonna eat chips, these are a great alternative. The second one is a grain-free tortilla chip made out of cassava flour. Now, these are delicious. I'm telling you, I would love to eat one right now if I wasn't fasting. But cassava flour is a low-carb, mineral-rich root vegetable that's been used in Asia, where else? Africa and Latin America for years and years now as a staple. And you can use cassava flour to make wraps. My wife made some last night. We had healthy fajitas. They're amazing low-carb fajitas. And you can buy stuff like this. Again, in moderation. Now, here's what I've found over the years. Most people who are not health conscious, and I can think of several family members, I love them to death, nothing against them, but if they tasted this, they would say, it tastes nasty. And the reason why is because they don't care about their health. If you're health conscious and you care about living longer, you care about avoiding diseases, you care about staying fit and trim, then all of a sudden these things taste a heck of a lot better. It's just the psychology of fitness and weight loss. So hopefully you got something out of this video. Dive in and enjoy your chips and your tortilla chips. Hit the like button if you got something out of this. If you have a question, drop it below. My team will do its best to get back with you. Again, I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day to check this out. Have an amazing day and keep going strong.